made it to the end. Woo! Amanda, you ready?
I'm ready.
So we just pulled over on the side of the road and saw that epic view. We're not even at the top yet. 20 yards, and we've already stopped again. Like a bunch of red clay. Look at these views. Oh my gosh. So we have stopped twice thus far. We stopped twice and we're what, halfway?
Yeah.
Maybe? So we looked up on a blog and saw that there's this really cool trail once you get to the top lookout. You have to go off the side and go through this like sketchy gate. We just saw some people who got back from it and they were super muddy. Amanda, how you feeling about this?
Good, as long as I don't slide off the edge.
We don't want to slide off, but this should be awesome. Oh man, this is gross. It's slippery. It better be worth the view. So here's probably one of the biggest differences between Amanda and I. I see the mud and I'm like, oh gosh, this is gonna be a lot of fun. And Amanda thinks it's gonna be fun, but she's just like,
let's be safe.
Let's be safe.
Someone has to be more cautious of the two of us.
You are more cautious and it will save us.
What?
Look at this view already.
Wow.
I think we're going out to there.
Wow.
Oh, well that's unfortunate. Don't really know a way around this one. Uh-oh. If you can fully embrace it, then it's easy. Just step in it. We just came down from that. Oh, now you can't see it. Well, this is very eerie looking. Supposedly there's a great view once we keep walking. Just casually walking along this cliffside, and that's our view. Whoops, I don't want to fall. Typical Clay and Amanda style, just like we did on Sleeping Giant. We thought the trail was gonna end probably 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And it just keeps on going. I mean, which is awesome. Like, oh my gosh, there's a helicopter right below us.
Oh wow.
Right down there. We're still going. All right, if you do this trail, we'll put the name of the trail maybe in the description, or I'll put it on the screen right now. but we cannot remember the name of the trail. I don't think it had a name. Oh, we made it. Made it to the top. Whew. What was the damage?
Not too bad. It didn't really get under my knee. My chakras have seen better days.
Oh man.
My hands, and I probably got on my face.
All right, so we're turning right there?
Uh-huh.
Interesting. Road floods during rain, unimproved narrow dirt road, drive at your own risk.
And then it says,
I like the sound of that.
Unless you're driving a lifted vehicle, the going will be very slow for the next 4 miles. It's extremely bumpy.
4 miles?
It said very bumpy, and there's a reason that the rental car companies don't want you going there.
Well, definitely gonna try it out. We're not turning around. Hopefully we don't pop a tire. See a Jeep.
They left us in the dust. The literal dust.
Still going.
A couple we ran into that have been coming to Kauai since 2010 recommended it to us when we were at the top of the other trail. And they told us we definitely should do this. It's one of the best things to see. Here we are.
It's actually crazy through here. We've been passing a lot of Jeeps and other four-wheel drive vehicles. We've only passed one other compact.
Yep, Queen's Pond sign. Drive until the dirt road comes sand.
All right, we just made it somewhere. It's a Scooby-Doo mobile. People are eating out of the back. Like your van.
Oh, thanks.
Whoa, look at how big this is. There's hardly anyone here. And our car is still here. Amanda, best beach yet?
Yes, for sure.
That beach was gorgeous. Ow, I stepping on sand spurs. Yes, one of the most gorgeous beaches yet. Look at the backdrop. Just everywhere you go in this place. This is the car commercial right here.
Street drive.
Off we go.
Off we go.
The Nissan Versa. It's gonna be the joke of the trip.